Chris Soren here, MarineMax Baltimore. We're aboard a 2015 Sea Ray 510 Sundancer. We're going to start here on the transom. As you can see, you have real teak all the way across the transom, which will also go all the way through the cockpit. As we move a little bit forward, you'll notice that you have your fuel fills on either side, as well as your pump out. It makes it very convenient when you're dockside getting fueled up. As we move across the transom, you'll see you have storage all the way across. And then when you need your shore power deployed, as well as your cable and water, you have a nice cutout here. It makes it very convenient. As you continue to move forward, you see you have your freshwater wash down here. Steps up to your walk around, and you have a nice wraparound setting here. Again, go back to the nice teak throughout. This table will slide, so it's very easy to get on and off of your seating position. And then if you look above me, you do have a sunshade that will fully extend, offering you shade on your sunny days. Notice here, this does slide all the way forward, so it really opens up the boat and allows you to entertain and come on and off the boat very easily. Before you step in, you'll also notice that we have an ice maker here, which is very nice for entertainment and keeping your coolers full of ice. Continue to move forward. This TV will articulate, so you can watch TV from the cockpit or adjust it here to watch it within the salon. Over here, you will see that you do have, again, a wraparound sofa, and then this will also adjust around so you can fully entertain your guests. This table will fold down, so it's easy to get in and out of the seats. Over here, you do have your wet bar with your sink, and then you also have a refrigerator and some storage options. If you look above, you can open up these shades as we have right now, allow some more light to come in, but then you'll also see that you do have a sunroof that fully opens up, allowing the breeze, allowing the light. As you come here to the helm, you notice that you have your twin Raymarine touchscreens. This will allow you to have your radar up as well as your GPS. This boat also has a camera feature which will allow you to see your transom when you're docking. Over here at the controls, you'll notice that you do have a joystick which will allow you to dock with ease, and to not miss, this boat does have the upgraded Zeus Cummins 600 engines. We're going to transition down here into the galley area. As you notice as you come down, this is nice and open. You have the atrium effect here, so you can get a lot of light in so you don't feel like you're down in a cave. As you come down to the stairs, you'll notice that you have your microwave, a refrigerator and a freezer, along with your cooktop, your sink, and plenty of storage all the way around. As we continue to move forward, you notice that you do have a nice sofa setting to enjoy television with a Bose surround sound. This will also convert into a sleeper. If you look up, you have a more storage above you, and then you move over here, you see you have all your electronics. Another nice feature of this boat, you do have a dual entry into the head area, which you can get from the galley or from the VIP. As you step in, you can see you have an island berth for the VIP with plenty of storage on either side and hanging lockers. We'll now transition into the master, where you see you're going to have a nice island berth, your own separate head with shower, as well as a sink and plenty of storage. You'll notice that you can fully walk around this bed, which makes it very easy to get in and out of and also make. And then you'll also notice that you have a nice television up on the bulkhead. Here in the master stateroom, you also do have your washer-dryer combination unit. And as you pan around the room, you realize that you do have a full walk around on the bed, which makes it nice and easy to get in and out. As you move forward, you see that you do have a full head with a shower. And then here behind me, you do have a nice sink with plenty of storage and also a medicine cabinet. We'll complete the tour here on the bow. As you can see, it's quite spacious. It's a great spot for entertaining, watching the sunset or having a cocktail. You notice that you do have cup holders on either side of the bow pad, which does come up and actually give you a upright seating position. Finally, as with any 51-footer, you do have a windlass control, a spotlight, and foot pedals. Thank you for taking the tour of the 2015 510 Sundancer. Please give us a call, stop by, or visit our website.